everyone. I am Abhigya from BC People Secondary Batch 1. Today I am here to present a presentation on the in the Python programming on the topic set. So first of all, we know that what is set. So set is a collection of the unique item. It is unordered, means there is no indexing in the set. Here no duplicate item is allowed, means there is no it is unique, means there is no duplicate value will be allowed, and we will use set using written using curly braces. Set is changeable. Changeable means mutable. We can change the set, but we cannot change the item of the set. So we can say that set is changeable, but the item inside set is immutable. So syntax of the set is my set name is my set, and here the set item is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the example is what my set name is number, and here the 1, 2, 2 and 3, 4, and the print number. Here the basic first method of the set is add method. It's add one element at the last in the set. So my set name is my set, and here the element is 1, 2 and 3, and if I add 4 in my set, and if I print my set, then my output is 1, 2, 3, and last 4 is added, and the output is 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the second method is remove method. Remove method remove the element, but if the element is not exist in the set, it gives the error. Here we can see that in my set item is 1, 2, 3, and I remove 2. It gives 1 and 3 in the output, but here if I write 5, it gives the error because 5 is not exist in the set. Third is discard method. It removes the element, but it gives no error. If the element is not exist in the list, it does not error. And if here we can see that my set item is 1, 2 and 3, and I discard 5, and 5 is not exist in the list, it gives no error, and the output is 1, 2 and 3. Fourth is clear. It removes all element in the list. My list here my set elements is 1, 2 and 3, and if I clear my set and print my set, out set is empty. Last one is pop method. It removes the random element in our set. Here my set is 10, 20, set item is 10, 20, 30 and 40. If I remove my set dot pop, and it removes the random element from the set, it removes the 10 from the set and remove the and print the remaining set. If it removes 10 from the set and print the existing set item, it removes 10 and print the 20, 30 and the 40. That's it from my side. Thank you.